Multicam editing. What's multicam? Well, it's using multiple cameras, basically. So with a multicam setup, I have my trusty FX6, a wide A7S II, and then on the 24-70, my trusty A7S III. Now this is my multicam setup. That's where I'll be sitting doing my podcasts. So there's my multicam setup. So in Premiere Pro, I'm going to show you how to edit your multicam footage nice and easily. Or the way that I do it. There's probably loads of different ways out there to do it, but this is the easiest way I found to do it. So camera A, B, C. A, B, C. I could do that forever. I won't because it's really boring. See, multicam. Works really well on podcasts and on headshot interviews. Anyway, come into Premiere Pro with me. I'll show you how to do it. So as you can see, we've loaded everything into Premiere Pro. It's now on the timeline. We've got multiple cameras set up. So if we move this over slightly, here's the wide angle. Let's turn that down. Here's the A7S III. Turn this one down. And there's our FX6. Now I've synced everything up already on the timeline. So the audio out of my Zoom H6 is all synced up to the audio of the 3 cameras. Everything else is all synced up. If you go back in one of my last videos, I actually teach you how to sync everything up in post. Very simple. Premiere Pro make it really, really easy. So all we need to do now is just consolidate all these 3 cameras onto one strip of the timeline. So the way we do that is this. We select our 3 clips, right click, get some options come up here, and we want to go into nest. So we're just nesting everything together. Yeah? So we go nest. We can call this multicam. Okay. See what happens there? It just comes down into one footage. So all our 3 cameras are now just down in there. So now what we need to do is we need to separate them again so that we can see them. So what we do is we right click on that. We find the option that says multi-camera and we want to enable it. Still can't see them though, can you? Still can't see them. Okay, down here is where we're going to reveal everything. If we just click on this, this now brings up our multiple cameras. Bosh, how good is that? And all you do is, as the clips are playing, you just clip on what camera you want to be on screen at the moment. And you can just flip them about. And what it does, it automatically cuts it on the timeline. Let me just show you. In Premiere Pro, I'm going to show you how to edit your multi-cam footage nice and easily. There you go. Simple as that. You come back down to your timeline, you will see all them cuts have already been done. Your multi-cam footage. Easy as that. And then once you're done with everything, just export it the way you export it. Bosh, there you go. Multi-cam setup. Couldn't be any easier. Could not be any easier. If you like what you see, press the subscribe button. Give the little bell or one so it just notifies you when I'm uploading something. And there is tons of tutorials on the way. If there's anything else that you really want to learn or something that you're absolutely stuck on, please reach out. My name's Mark. Our company is Fountains Media. So happy to help all the time. I need a tagline. Also, give me a tagline. I need something catchy, something funky. Might even run a little competition on it.